Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss an awesome machine learning project, Flight Ticket Price Prediction, using Python, Flask and Scikit-learn. In this project, we're gonna upload real flight data, then after pre-process it and then train multiple models and compare their accuracy and predict ticket price automatically. Let's get started. So this is a web-based application, helps user estimate the flight price based on their key details like airline, number of stops, and the duration. We are using the popular three machine learning models here. Those are random forest, decision tree, and linear regression. So the app starts with an sample login page. We have set up dummy user with username and password as admin. So let's get started with entering the credentials. Those are admin and admin. If the credentials are invalid, it will show and pop-up error that will be invalid credentials. So I am entering the credentials in correct way, admin and admin. So after entering the credentials, then click on login. So it will redirect to the dashboard. So now upload the data set. So click on business, then click on open. So here it will display business.csv. So when we upload our data set, the app reads the data using pandas and displays the top 5 rows and the dashboard. This helps us to confirm that the data set has uploaded correctly. So if you click on upload, it will display the top 5 rows. If you scroll down, it will display top 5 rows of data sets by using pandas. Then next, click on pre-process. So in this pre-process, we're gonna clean our data and we're gonna split our data set into 80% and 20%. 80% is for training purpose and remaining 20% for testing purpose. Click on pre-process. So training is for 80% and testing is for 20%. And next, the popular three models are random forest, decision tree, and linear regression. And click on train model. So if you click on train model, so it will display best models. Here I got highest accuracy in random forest with 78%. So if you scroll down, it will display a graph according to the accuracy. So here blue stands for random forest and yellow stands for decision tree and green stands for linear regression, and this graph is going to be plotted by using matplotlib or else cbot. So the next, click on choose file and then after click on predict sample, then click on open. So in this predict sample, we're gonna predict our price based upon our inputs. So then click on predict. So prediction is completed. If you scroll down, prediction price is displayed here. So if you change the inputs here, the price list will be also changed according to our input. The predicted price is going to be changed. So finally, user can log out securely using the logout button. So if you click on logout, you can log out. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing machine learning projects.